Everything sauce make Taco Tuesday even better. You gotta make this. What started off as a quest to make the perfect Catalina dressing has ended up happy accident in what I now call Victoria's everything sauce. I am not kidding. I put this sauce on salads, the original intent, tacos, rice, French fries, eggs. You can put it on anything. It is so delicious and it's so easy to make. Okay, for my everything sauce, it's just 7 ingredients. You probably have them in your pantry now. We're going to start with some ketchup. Yes, ketchup. This is going to give it nice little tang and flavor. And now, red wine vinegar. This is going to give it the most tang. And of course, sugar, because it has a little bit of sweetness. Paprika. And Worcestershire sauce. Okay, and now for some onion. Now this isn't chopped or minced onions. This is grated onions. And let me warn you ahead of time, it's going to make you cry. Every time I grate onions, I just the tears just come out. But definitely grate them, do not chop them. And lastly, we have sunflower oil. So all the ingredients are in the bowl, and I'm going to slowly stir in the sunflower oil and mix it together. As you're mixing this, you're going to look down and you're going to go, whoa, this oil does not want to play well with the rest of the ingredients. It takes a little while, so you got to get in there and you got to vigorously mix it until it starts creating a bit of an emulsion. It's not really an emulsion, but we're going to call it that, and it comes together nicely. Okay, it is nicely mixed. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Mix it again. And you're not going to want to eat this right away. You're going to want to wait 2-3 hours. These flavors really need to meld, and if you can hold yourself back, wait a day. That's probably the best thing. And what I like to do is get it into a squeeze bottle, because you're going to need to shake it every time you use it. And that is the easiest way to get it mixed. If you try to mix in a bowl every time you want to use it, you're going to be frustrated. So I've got a funnel here so that I don't get it all over the place. Okay, it fits nicely in my squeeze bottle. And I like to shake it before I put it in the refrigerator. So every time you use it, you're going to do this. You're going to squirt it on. It's going to be great. If you don't have squirt bottles, you can check out our Amazon store. I'll leave a link below too. These are so wonderful to have in the kitchen for dressing, for oils, just about everything. So if you don't have them, Amazon has them. I'll leave a link. So I'm going to get this in the refrigerator, and I think I'm going to put it on tacos tonight. It is Taco Friday. You don't have to wait till Tuesday for tacos. The full recipe for this everything sauce is linked in the description below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. That helps us out. And then give us a thumbs up. We really like that, and so does YouTube. And when you make this, let me know. Is it going to become your everything sauce? Give me a comment. I want to know. And until next time, happy eating.